what is the value of x? Given that you have 64 to the power of x equals root of 16 into root of 8. Then let's have it to be solution. Now from here, let us note that anytime when we have root of m, this equals as m to the power of 1 over 2. So from here, let's simplify this side. So here will now be 64 to the power of x equals root of 16 times 8 to the power of 1 over 2. So from here we have here to be 64 to the power of x equals root 16 times, we can have 8 in base 2 as 2 to the power of 3 in parentheses to the power of 1 over 2. Then from the law of indices, when you have a to the power of m to the power of n, that is when you have a base raised to the power in parentheses to another power, we can have them as a to the power of m times n, meaning that we can multiply the power together. So from here, we're going to have this as 64 to the power of x equals root of 16 times 2 to the power of, this will be 3 times 1 will be 3 over 2. So we have this to be 3 over 2. Then again from here we have 64 to the power of x equals, we can have this 16 as 2 to the power of 4 times 2 to the power of 3 over 2. Then mind you again, from the law of indices at the same time, when you have a number with raised to the power of m times a raised to the power of n, that is the same base with different power, the law says we should add the power together by taking one base, a to the power of m plus n. So from here we have 64 to the power of x will be equals root of 2 to the power of 4 plus 3 over 2. So from here we have 64 to the power of x equals root of 2 to the power of, here will be, the LCM will be 2 from here, so here will now be 8 plus 3 over 2. So we have here to be 64 to the power of x equals 8 plus 3 will be 2 to the power of 11 over 2. So we have here to be 64 to the power of x equals, by taking this one again, we can have it as 2 to the power of 11 over 2 to the power of 1 over 2. So from here we have 64 to the power of x equals, this will be 2 to the power of 11 times 1 will be 11 over 2 times 2 will be 4. Now, we can also have this 64 in base 2 as we have it here. We have 2 to the power of 6 and to the power of x equals 2 to the power of 11 over 4. Now, when you have something of this nature, we can have this as a to the power of m in parentheses to the power of n equals a to the power of m times n. So from here we have 2 to the power of 6x equals 2 to the power of 11 over 4. Now, we can cancel out this base. So far they are the same. This we cancel out. We have 6x equals 11 over 4. By crossing multiply, when you cross multiply, this will go here like this. Then this will come here like this. So we are going to have this as 24x equals 11. Dividing through by 24, this will cancel out this. We have x to be equals 11 over 24. 4. So we have here to be 11 over 24. So we can now verify this. If true, that's 11 over 24, it definitely give us we have 64 to the power of x equals root 16 times root 8. Then we have here to be 64 to the power of 11 over 24. Then we can have this as 2 to the power of 6, 11 over 24, or is it going to give us root 16 multiplied by root 8? It's going to be equals root 16 times root 8. So from here, 6 here, 1, 6 in this will be 4. So we definitely have this as 2 to the power of 11 over 4. Then it's going to be equals this. We have it as root 2 to the power of 4 times this will be 2 to the power of 3 over 2. So we have 2 to the power of 11 over 4. Then it's going to be equals this from here, 2 to the power of 4 plus 3 over 2. So this one we find the LCM will be 2 here divided by 1. 2 here is 1 here is 1, 1 into 2 is 2 times this will be 8 plus 2 here is 1, 2 here is 1, we have 3. This gives us 11 over 3. So we have 2 to the power of 11 over 4. Then it's going to be equals square root of this will be 2 to the power of 11 over 3. Then from here to solve over 2. So when we take half of this again, we have 2 to the power of 11 over 2 in parentheses to the power of 1 over 2. 2 to the power of 11 times 1 is 11, 2 times 2 is 4. So definitely we have 2 to the power of 11 over 4, which equals as this 2 to the power of 11 over 4. So if you are new here and find it interesting, don't forget to share, like, and comment.